Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Thursday, March 26, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we're at. So, wow, the SPX, folks, amazing. It's like the bear market never happened, just a blip on the radar, right? So we click below the 50 monthly moving average, which we know is our bear market line in the sand, and pushed above it today, guys, up 154 points on the SPX for an amazing rally today off of a terrible jobs number. So it looks like, I guess the market's pricing everything in. So we'll see how that goes. Huge weekly candle so far. 1 day left in the week, so let's see if we can close this strong. We're well above the those December 2018 lows, and it's amazing just the range of this weekly candle so far basically was equivalent to like 5 or 6 weeks back here, back in 2018. So we are living in very interesting times. So we talked yesterday, right? A couple days ago we talked about this Morningstar reversal, so nice setup right there. We talked yesterday about a possible doji sandwich form. We did get that follow through on this today. Now we got to be really careful right here. We're approaching this downward trend line. Okay, so this is the macro downward trend line since the close, right, since the move down. So let's see if we can get above that and continue to be constructive and move up. So again, watch this line right here, right, this low here, the 28.5584, right, that's the February 28th low. That could be a wave one resistance here. So let's see if it gets all the way up there and doesn't tag it and then works its way back down. So we're not necessarily out of this, out of the woods yet, right? And we're also looking at a death cross here on the 50-200 MA. So just have to be careful with that. But again, generally bullish into the close, of course. And let's see if they pass that stimulus bill. Are they going to sell the news, or is it going to be more bullishness in the market? Are we back into the crazy bull market? We'll see. So all I can say is at least we're used to trading that, right? So we got that going on. Let's take a look at the SPY. So SPY here, same thing, right? It's downward trend. Let's take a look at the intraday price action here today. So big move up from the lows, guys, right? This is one of the things we talked about, using those trend lines, right, from your pre-market levels right here. We got there out of there pre-market, just kept on going up today. Nice inside 15 here for a triangle up today. Nasty little pullback. It was honestly, guys, it was really tricky price action. You go to the S&P futures. It was a big move at the open, but a lot of these moves were met by like these crazy candles right here. It's like, okay, this is bullish. Oh no, it's upper shadow, right? It's like, okay, this is bearish. Oh no, we got a lower shadow. I mean, this was a very, very tricky day today. If we also go to the micros, I mean, there were some setups, right? We pointed out a couple of these intraday. We had a nice triangle here. Let me show you this on the chart right here. So nice little triangle that formed right here for a nice little pop right on that. That was a great move, right? A couple other moves right here to get to the upside, and this last little move right here was basically a falling wedge type pattern that gave you a nice move up there. But I mean, yeah, you would have had to have your stop entry there so fast, right? So anyway, but pretty amazing stuff there. Let's take a look at some other ones too. Apple. Okay, interesting day today. Big pop into the close there as well. Not exactly the still pretty tricky to trade though, but it gave a nice move today. We did point this out at the open this morning, this nice triangle here, and members did really well getting that back up to the 15 orb today, so that was good. It pays nicely, right? So I do like how we've pushed above this downward trend line now after the Morningstar reversal, but I still want it to close above this, and I still want to see more volume on it. So we're not really seeing that just yet. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla didn't participate today, really. It was just kind of a spinning top day and ended up red on the day. Let's take a look at Boeing. Boeing still, working its way up right there. But lots of volume came in when this big move down here. This is that capitulation type mode, right? Big volume came in, couldn't break down any of these lows right here. It got really compressed, and that contraction led to expansion on this one. And then let's take a look at Roku. Roku didn't play with the market either today. Good Roku there, and just kind of pulled back a little bit. It's tagging its 8 EMA. Let's take a look at Zoom. Zoom is a double inside day, so that's always an interesting one to look at right there. And then Facebook. Let's take a look at Facebook. See if it got over its downward trend line right here. So yeah, so it looks like it's basically cleared this channel, and so that's good. It had a nice close day. Just couldn't get the volume on that one either, but it's definitely one to keep on the radar. So quite a day today, guys. Crazy choppy price action, lots of back and forth, some big ranges on those back and forths. So a little bit tricky, guys. Don't worry if you guys are sidelined, even though the market is like ripping and all that stuff. So there's still stuff out there to do. You just got to know what to look for and be very, very tactical, right? So anyway, good stuff, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your evening. And speaking of tactics, we're going to finish our series this week, this evening at 9:30 Eastern time on day trading with pre-market data. And I hope you guys found that helpful this week. I've got some nice comments on that folks are are already applying that and they're trading and doing well with it. So see you guys tonight there on the free YouTube live stream at 9:30 Eastern time. And I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your day. Stay healthy and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay guys.